Hi, I'm Michael, and this is Claudia, and today we are going to learn choreography to the song of Ellie Goulding, Still Falling for You. Let's start. Well, the first part, let's have a look. So we are just waiting for the music. Look. Then we let the lady go. We pull her closer. Just a few simple moves. And a few nice poses. Slide. And 2 steps. And here we'll finish the intro. Alright, so let's start with counting. As the song is rather peaceful, then it has a magnific moment. Okay, it will be comfortable to dance counting to 8, and don't worry, we'll remind you about it. So the first part is just 8. But we wait before the vocal starts. So we are together, and we are just waiting and rocking from one leg to the other. But each next line are 4 quick steps, and each line finishes with the words "still falling for you." So it will be our point of reference to each part. Alright, so let's assume that there is our front. Look there. So we just finished our beginning standing here. But now we are just learning, so we'll stay here. So there is our audience. We are just waiting. Okay, so we have been announced, and the moment when vocal starts, I will be counting to 8. And we lead the lady under the hand. So the partner pushes the lady under the shoulder blade. Ladies turn right. And we are standing facing the audience. Then we pull the lady, moving our body weight. We get back on 2 legs, and lady is making pendulum. So in case of men, it is very easy. When pushing the lady, we move the body weight on right leg. Then on left, we pull the lady. And again, we stay on 2 legs, and we have this stretching. Well, as to the counting, so when the vocal starts, we start counting to 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, swing. Then on one leg, 5, 6, and pendulum 7, 8. So gentlemen, you are just assisting the lady, but the steps are always just like in A position. So do not stand too narrow, as it will simply look unstable. It will be unstable. Just stand wide and assist the lady. And now the ladies. So we start with a right leg, and we rise a right hand as well. And then we turn right. So 1, 2. Then we move our body weight on the left. 3, 4. And then on 5, 6. We just join the leg left one to the right one. 5, 6. And now right leg backwards. And we leave left one and lift it up. Why the left one? Well, because the audience is over there so that they can notice it. And how to make this pendulum? Well, it is important in the intro. So we take right leg backwards, but wide enough so that the elbows are straight. As if you take smaller steps, it wouldn't simply look good. So, big backward step, and we will have light stretching. We lift it up, and you may bend your head back. And this is the moment when the partner must feel a little bit that we are stretching. Look, stretching, and then we come back to each other. Look, you can be closer to each other, so we will show you at the front. So the step backward can be a little bit smaller, and you can bend more as well. So it depends actually on you, how you feel in the situation. But the step should be smaller so that we are close to each other. So the higher you lift your leg, the more balance you will need to bend backward. So the man is just assisting the lady. He doesn't push her. The hands are in one position. And the ladies make a pendulum. and get back to the partner. That's the first 8. Now let's do it once again. So we are just waiting for the music, the vocal starts, and 1, 2, 3, 4, swing. Then we pull the lady, 5, 6, pendulum, 7, 8. And we do not stop, but 7, 8, we bend backward, and then going back in the next 8. Well, we'll count it, but first move. So we hold the lady with both open hands. We unwrap the left hand inwards. Then we wrap the lady, not taking any steps. And we have a holding in a basket. Look, we are next to each other. We do not hide behind the lady, but the audience can see both of us. Our hands are wrapped. In case of hands, partner's right hand goes down, left one goes up, but be careful with elbows. So, we open the elbow, we pull the lady to us, we stay overlap, and the audience can see both of us. So look, we look at each other, then from the basket position we go up with left hand in case of men and lady's right one. So the lady goes. Yes, the lady goes. She joins 2 hands as if we were dancing a ballet. So some ballet climate, and then there will be superposition. So look, we are in front of you in the basket. We lift left hand, right one, we join them, the partner stays, and we are just cuddling to each other, letting our hands go. Okay, let's count it. So we have finished 7, 8. Then we pull the lady, and we have 4 beats for it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We stay next to each other, and now hands. 5, 6, 7, 8, cuddling. The partner holds the lady from the bottom. So we get back to initial position. Well, the steps are very simple here. And now, ladies, when you get back after the pendulum, you take a step with the left leg, then you are just with a partner, and it doesn't really matter which steps you take, as you will only pay attention to hands. You raise your hands. With the small steps, you just approach the partner, and we focus on hands only. So do not think about the legs, only about hands. All right, let's count it once more. So at the end, the man holds the lady here at the bottom. The lady holds man's neck or cuddle him here. So now counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we hold in this way. And here the partner is the determinant of the front, and the partner faces the audience, and the lady is back to the audience. And now we'll make the next 8. So we just move our body length. So partner starts with right leg, lady left one. So we are just rocking, and the knees are loose. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the other side, not the same step, but we take our body weight. It is like bouncing. And the other side, the partner just take a step with a lunge. So body weight on the left leg. Let's do it when we are separated. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So bouncing. Then we assist the lady. And the lady turns back, and now the other way around. So the lady starts with left leg. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now right leg is ready with body weight. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So that was the step with the body weight. So we are dancing together. The ladies hold us here behind the neck, and we just have a step. Then the next one is with our body weight, and we are together with a line, and we look at the audience. Okay, so let's talk about this movement. So men initiate ladies' move, holding them here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and we need to relax our head. Yes, we need to relax the head a little bit. So I held the lady all the time, as if I wanted to rock her. But actually, you need to move your head as well. Okay, so ladies, the first movement you need to make with your head is not outside, but you take a small swing right, as if you wanted to leave your partner, and then come back. So, head right, left, and come back. And to avoid only ding, ding, hop, so the movements are a little bit got behind forward legs. So they are very loose. Yes, so we have 1, 2, hop. And now the next step, well, it is important not to hang on each other as we simply don't have time for it now. So we take a step with the body weight. We turn the lady a little bit so that she can look at the audience. And look, she is holding herself on my neck, standing on her leg. I am just assisting her. Then we go back, hop, and that is the 8th. And now ladies take a right step, hop, look, hop. And then left one doesn't change. The partner just turn us a little bit. And we hold partner's neck. We may add hands and head, as it simply looks good. In case of partner, you may choose actually if you are looking at the audience or at the lady. But actually it looks much better when you look at the lady. We are rocking, hop, and lying. And now the last 8th is left. So, to make it easier for ladies, we make slide out. So we start with left leg. Our knees are loose. We let our hands go. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember not to go too far from each other. It is like down slide, as if we were down, slide our legs, let our hands go, and slide this bait with the leg that we pull. So it doesn't matter actually how far you will go with your leg, but you must feel that slide move with your right leg. Let's do it once again. So the steps are the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, the wall. We take 2 steps with the leg you used actually for slide. So right one. So 5, 6, 7, 8. And then there will be the next verse. It is actually very simple. So let's do it once more. Maybe in this way this time. So there is our audience. The partner faces the audience. So 1, 2, 3, 4, looking at each other. And right leg, left one. So 2 steps. So let's revise the whole first part with the counting. So there is our audience. We are just waiting. The music starts, but our reference point is always the vocal. So let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, swing. 5, 6, 7, 8. To the basket. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hands up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Rocking. 2, 3, 4. The pose. 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the end of the first part. And then the next one starts.